Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. I think the price action deserves another update, given that we have broken out of our breakout point here, the $9.50 level. LINK has broken out of its forever range, people going crazy. And I think it's really good to get some interest back in the crypto market. So I already shared with you the key levels to watch now for LINK going forward. The levels that could present some obstacles on the way up. And you see the green arrows here to the upside that tell us that if a level is broken, we can look at the next one. So that gives you a nice roadmap as we go higher. And it also tells you at which levels a LINK can fail. Yeah. So obviously I've shared really, I think in detail, my concerns about this downside structure, that it does look incomplete, but nevertheless, it turned exactly where it needed to in this larger trend reversal area that anybody with a long-term perspective could have used. I mean, the box was hopefully big enough, and these boxes are usually designed for people who want to use them maybe to scale in. You know, our charts are self-guided, so you can make your own decisions based on the relevant pivot points on the charts. Long-term support goes down to $2.98. Wasn't broken, but it touched several times our long-term weekly support area on this chart. And I mean, I'm not really convinced that the price is already going up in wave 5, but if it does, then it turned around exactly where it needed to. Yeah, looking at the weekly chart. Short term, I would have preferred for the price to go still lower, and it can still do that. We're not out of the woods here, so a few green candles don't make a bullish structure. But it's certainly noteworthy that the price broke out, first of all, out of the price channel. That was the first signal. And the $9.50 level was the significant level that takes us now to the next pivot. The next pivot point is at $11.82. So that's the next key level at which the price could fail. Obviously, at the moment, there is a lot of interest. There's a bit of hype. Cryptos can move quickly when they turn around. All of that is no surprise. So we need to see above $11.80 if the price can push above that. That's certainly the next level to watch. If we can push to $18.10 next afterwards. I mean, you know, again, this stuff can go quickly. And the advantage is that anybody who's been through the bear market, is watching the charts right now. You will notice that most people out there will not get interested in cryptos, in altcoins, until they have already moved a lot. Okay, so where are we? So obviously $11.80 is the next key level. That's the 50% FIB level. This is important because it is a level where the wave 4 could still reset to. So there is still a bearish scenario where the price could top. In the bullish scenario, we should easily take it out, and the bullish relevant support would be the last swing low that I would be tracking. So looking at this structure here, it's the last swing low that would be the invalidation point for a more direct continuation higher. That level is here at $7.12. So as long as that level is holding, LINK should be able to push higher, but getting down there again will be dangerous. It would be quite positive to see if the price could retest this $9.50 level from above, confirm that as support, because I mean, this would be really appreciated, I think, from a bullish perspective, because look at this forever range here. LINK has been moving within this range for more than a year, and having such a key resistance level and then confirming it from above would be really positive. So I would like to see that actually, instead of just going more directly, coming back. And anybody who's trading this short term, I mean, a possible trade setup, not sure if it's going to be a setup because I haven't got a crystal ball, but if we see it, it might be a setup. So basically for anybody who doesn't want to trade a breakout without a retest, it could be this and then this. And then it basically allows you to set a stop below that swing low for a continuation of the long trade, you know, of this uptrend. So this is something that I would like to see from an analysis point of view to confirm and to have some confidence that the uptrend is going to continue. If we see this, so moving up and breaking down, that's obviously not really good. That shows some weakness, and it would rather emphasize the idea that this could have just been a wave 4 reset. Yeah. Basically as a flat structure, A, B, C, because the problem on this chart is that this here, let me see, if this was here, an A wave in 3 waves, for example, a different way of counting this, A wave, then A, B, C in wave B. And now this is some kind of a C wave, or even a W, X, Y, where this is an A, B, C or whatever. This is possible. Yeah, this is possible. We always need to be aware that there is a bear hiding and lurking around the corner. So, but from a bullish point of view, if we can come down maybe in the next few days and retest this support area, that would be quite bullish and could rather confirm continuation, especially if it then takes out the $11.82 level as well. And then we're just going to track the 50% retracement level of the move going forward as bullish support. So we'll see what kind of structure is emerging here. I mean, from a bullish point of view, we would have to say the wave 4 bottomed here, yeah, and that we are now in the wave 5 to the upside. Even though it would be a bit of a mystery to me how it bottomed, it's not a great structure, and that typically experience shows normally is going to haunt us later. But if this is now the 5th wave to the upside, then I can tell you that this move up was not a clear impulse. So I have to consider that wave 5 is moving in a diagonal, and diagonals are 5 wave moves. So just to give you an idea how this could be moving, we would be looking for a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, a wave 5. And the wave 1 would be an A, B, C structure. Okay, so that's just sort of the idea I have. We will get more price data in the coming days, I assume. Well, for sure we will get more price data. Okay, that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to our weekly live streams. Every Sunday we do one. It's educational. We cover some member requests, coin requests. You get access to Discord and Telegram. And as a gold member, you get access to short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.